Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're all having a good day today. I just wanted to take a few moments to introduce myself, tell you a little bit about the class, and just maybe possibly answer some of the questions that you might have before this class gets started, just so you can have a better understanding of how this class will go moving forward. So this is the interpersonal class here at college. And the book we will be using is called Interplay by Adler. Currently, I'm using the 14th edition. There is a 15th edition that is a little bit newer, but I like using the 14th edition for now because it's a good model to use for the class. Plus, it's cheaper because it's older, and you could find it at most places. You find used editions, and you could even you buy them online at a much cheaper discount. So, if you have any questions on that, just look up Interplay by Adler. You can Google it, and you can find it. This class will usually entail us of doing a couple of things online because this is an online class, and we are asynchronous. So when you're talking about asynchronous, you're talking about the idea that we are not going to meet on a weekly basis. What it means is that it is completely online. There may be a reason for us to have to meet, in which case I'll announce it. But the reality is that most of the work and everything is going to be done online. I'm going to provide you with some weekly updates. So every Monday you'll see a video up there. Maybe in the afternoon. It'll probably be up Monday afternoon because I have classes in the mornings. So I'll record videos in the afternoon. And you'll see a couple of things. One, you'll see the weekly update. Two, you're going to see a lecture that I've pre-recorded that will share with you information about that week's chapter. You'll see a quiz for that week's chapter. And you'll also see a video discussion for that week, which means you're going to see a lecture for the chapter, a quiz for the chapter, and a video discussion where I give you a video and you're going to watch the video and then your videos, if there's several, you're going to answer the questions and then you're going to comment on the responses of two of your peers. Now, when you're answering the questions for the video discussion, you have to at least provide an in-depth answer, which means it's got to be at least, I don't know, around 5 sentences or so, 4 or 5 sentences. Just give me some in-depth responses that really made you think and really show me that you've actually taken the material and then taken the video and merged them together to come up with some thoughts and opinions of your own. And then you're going to do that for every question. Then you're going to look at what other peers in your class have answered, and you're going to comment on two of your peers. You can comment on their responses as a whole, or you can comment on a particular response to a particular question that they refer to. And again, I'm looking for an in-depth response, not just, hey, you did a good job, but why you liked it, why it resonates with you, so forth and so on. The quiz will usually entail about 10 questions and will require you to answer those questions. So you have that. So besides that, you will have a midterm exam and you will have a final exam and you'll have 2 major papers that you have to write. Okay? So again, 2 papers, a relationship paper where you are an observer and then a relationship paper where you are the participant. Then you have a midterm, and then you have a final. You have your quizzes that you do on a weekly basis, and you have your quizzes that you do on a weekly basis, and you have the video discussions. And so all of those are allotted amount of points. The point breakdown will be on your syllabus, and it will demonstrate to you like how many points you need to get for each thing in order for you to know what total points you need for a grade in this class. The breakdown is usually 90, 80, 70 scale in order to pass the class. So 70 to 79 is a C, 80 to 89 is a B, and then 90 and above is an A. So just to kind of give you an explanation. me see what else. We'll talk a little bit more in detail about the assignments as they come up. You will see weekly videos from me, kind of like you're viewing now, that will kind of explain what's going on that week, and we'll answer a lot of those questions as we do moving forward. This is an online based class, so which means that a lot of responsibility of getting things done and managing your time is more upon you and more pressing upon you than it is for me to hold you accountable. I expect all of you to get your work done on a timely manner. This first week, I've set it up so that you do one video discussion and you answer one really quick, simple quiz with one question on it. And it really is just so that you know what what a quiz looks like. It's really just so that it works, so that you know how it works. And I also know that some of you are still working on getting your book. So I figured, you know what, I'll give you one extra week to do that. You are required, however, to watch the video that I put up this week and then answer the questions that pertain to that video. And that is already up there for you to see. And I think that's pretty much it. There's really not much else that I want to say. There's a separate video up that will give you a short bio on who I am and how is it that I'm here in front of you today. And there's also another video that explains the navigation of the Canvas page that we're going to be using, so that you understand how it works and stuff like that. All right. So I think that's pretty much it. There's really not much else. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me. I'm really good about responding to emails. And then we just kind of, we go from there. All right. Well, if you have anything else, I'm right here for you. It's a pleasure to see all of you, or you see me. But it's a pleasure to be your instructor this semester. All right. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.